How's it going, YouTube? It's Angel Barber back with another video. Today I'm bringing you another burst fade tutorial. So let's get right into it. Starting with a 3 guard, picking up to have a nice canvas and make sure everything blends smoothly. With our lever closed, we're gonna go in and set our first initial guideline using the corner of our blade. See, we start in the middle of the C cup and then bring it back a little bit behind the ear. And using the corner of your blade on the burst fade is gonna help a lot just to keep the shape that you want. Now with our lever open, we're going to create our second initial guideline, going about 1/4 of an inch. Again, using the corner of our blade, keep the burst shape that we want. So using the corner of the blade is going to help a lot with that. Took out that one guideline with our lever closed. Now we're just gonna go in with our trimmer and bald everything out. Now going with our one open, we're gonna go up about another 1/4 of an inch, flicking out so we don't create any harsh lines. We use the corner of our blade to avoid going too back on that burst effect. I'm going to close that and soften up that line that we just created. Now with our 2 guard, we're gonna go in and just blend the 1 into the 3. So we're just gonna use the 2 to have everything transition nice and smoothly. Get our 1 guard and just soften up that 2, make sure everything's transitioning well, taking any dark spots out, flicking out as well to avoid any harsh lines. And we're using our half, again just detailing, making sure everything is transitioning well and taking any dark spots out that we see. Just see, majority of this haircut I'm using the corner of my blade, people. This is the key to this haircut, using the corner of your blade to avoid any pushback and to keep shape with the burst fade. Now we're just using our trimmers, making the C cup. Now with our shavers, I'm gonna go in and completely bald out, taking any stubbles out and give it that nice clean look. And this is going to make the transition pop. Just going ahead and detailing, again taking any dark spots we see after we set in our C cup. Alright YouTube, what you do to one side we do to the other. So I'm gonna let this fast forward and let you guys see the rest of this video. Client wanted to round the back, so we proceeded to round the back. spots that we see, just to lighten that up a bit. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and use our 245 styling powder to style his hair and give it texture. If you guys are looking to get your styling powder, it's in my website. Check it out. I ship as well, so all you would have to do is check my website out. All my products are gonna be there that I use, so go check it out, order, and I'll make sure I'll ship out, or if you're in the area, you can always come and pick it up. That's the end of the video, YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you think this tutorial was helpful and want to see more tutorials like these, please make sure to drop a thumbs up, smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. We made it to almost 300 subscribers by the end of March. We're at 280, so I'm glad with that. It's progress. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram. I'll be having more shorts and more content there as well. So thank you guys for watching. It's Angel Barber, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.